Welcome to Stackable, your all-in-one solution to building stunning websites with the WordPress block editor. In this video, you'll learn all about how to use Stackable's timeline block to display chronological information in a visually compelling timeline format. Timelines can be used in your website to present any type of sequential content, such as historical events, company milestones, product roadmaps, or step-by-step processes in a visual manner. Let's begin. First, add a timeline block from the block library. When you add a timeline block, you will see a single timeline entry. By default, you will see a date on the right and a text block in an inner column on the left. To start building your timeline, add another timeline block or duplicate the first one. You will see a vertical line that connects both blocks. In the Layout tab, you can select left or right for the content position. By default, the content is a text block on the left side of the timeline. Then adjust the timeline gap to set the space between the timeline and the content. In the Style tab, under the Timeline panel, you can set the accent anchor position. As we learned earlier, when timeline blocks are stacked on top of each other, a vertical line will connect the blocks. As you scroll down, this line color changes. The accent anchor position determines the starting position of the accent color. If you set it to a lower value, the accent color will partially fill up the line. If you set it to a higher value, the color will continue to fill up the line. You can adjust the dot size and the dot border radius to define how round the dot corners are. You can adjust the thickness of the lines and use horizontal offset to shorten or lengthen the horizontal lines. The timeline accent color is the active color in the timeline. This color fills the line as you scroll down the page. The timeline background color is the background color of the timeline. This color is static and is filled by the timeline accent color. In the typography panel, you can replace the date with your own text. Then customize your typography settings. Toggle on the background to apply a background color or image so you can highlight each section in your timeline. You can change the content that appears on the other side of the timeline. You can replace the default text block and add headings, subtitles, buttons, and other stackable blocks to enhance the visual storytelling of your timeline. For mobile screens, the timeline block collapses into a more compact and mobile-friendly form. Your styling customizations will still be present in this mobile form, but your content will all be placed in a more readable format. Stackable's timeline block makes it easy to communicate significant events in your website. Its layout and design options allow you to arrange events and present them in a visually digestible format. Impress your audience with clear and concise timelines that leave a lasting impact. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Stackable updates, tips, and tutorials. You can also join our Facebook community or visit our website for more information. We'll link them down below.